Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Hey, congratulations, all of you guys, real quickly before we go over Dogecoin. Congratulations for everyone who ended up following the metrics over at tradeconfident.io. If you guys go to the homepage, go to live trades, scroll down to Cardano. You guys all had your buy limit set up and you guys got into the long trade with me at 250. And we are currently writing this up here. And at the moment, you guys are up. We are all up 7.92%. So congratulations for that one to cover it real quickly. So let's go over to Dogecoin. Now, those of you guys who ended up getting in at 29 cents, currently the trade's sitting down 5.96%, but I will be going over this and where I think it's going to go. But hold on. I'm going to actually show you guys, if you have not gotten into Dogecoin yet and you want to trade with us, I'm going to show you how to market order in right now, market order, and then where you guys can set up your next buy limit so you can take advantage of this. We've been doing very well on this channel. We've been moving this up to about $757 right now. This is live at the moment, and we've been taking out profits all the time here. So I like spot trading. Took up 546 here, 260, 20, 96, so on and so forth, all the way down here. I love spot trading in and out of the market, and we just crossed over 800, so that's awesome. Let's go over today's analysis. So those of you guys who ended up picking up the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion yesterday, I know there's quite a few of you guys, please follow along with me on the charts as I do this. So come up here and go to trend line. I want you guys to pull from the top here all the way down, and then I want you to draw two more. I want you to come in here and do trend line, and I want you to pull from this, moving down, touching that top, and then I want you to do another one here, touching here, and then I want you to come down right around here, okay? There's a reason for this. What I want to make you guys watch here today is this. If we can get the trend exhaustion to push up through here and start breaking through the first descending resistance and then the second descending resistance and then pushing up here, that is a very good bullish sign. Now, if you guys come over here and look at this indicator, click the settings and then click off price, okay? We're just going to look at the money flow of the whales right now. These are larger transactions on the blockchain, okay? Clearly money is flowing out of the market. If money can start pushing up here and breaking this descending resistance line, this is very positive for Dogecoin to come back up. Now, I want you to watch this over the weekend because I'm not going to be on the chart Saturday or Sunday. I'll cover Dogecoin probably on Monday or Tuesday of next week. I like to take the weekends off with my family. So when we break this is a bullish sign in the market. We will be going over the metrics today too. Where I'm looking for this to head, guys, is up here, maybe make a higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, and then stall right around this area, which I would say was about 30 cents. Okay, we have touched this, what I would consider is a 1-2 touch on the bottom of the descending support, okay, at the bottom. And just get this out of the way here for a second. So this is a second touch in my opinion since we've already bounced. So over the weekend, if Dogecoin starts heading up here, I do think we could test right around this 30-cent level, okay? Now, let's hold off on here for a second. Let's go over to the metrics and take a look at what they're showing us, and then we're going to wrap this up and I'll show you guys how to get into this trade to take advantage of this with us. And you guys will actually get a better entry than people who have previously entered. But watch this. Go to Dogecoin up here under the metrics. It's $49 a month. Get your membership. Come over here. All right. Taking a look at Dogecoin, this is one of the best setups that we have on all of the cryptocurrencies at the moment. We are no longer in neutral. We have just now pushed down into the anxious section for Dogecoin. It is very clear that when we get down into the anxious and fearful section of Dogecoin, the price loves to move back up. This is where all the retail traders get very nervous with their positions, and the whales come in and they buy this thing like crazy and they start making money, okay? This is a matter of an emotional game between whales and institutions and retail traders. It really is, guys. So let's move down here a little bit more. What I'm saying is this is a very good sign. The more this heads down over the weekend, if it does move down a little bit further, that is a better sign for us that this is going to be a good long trade, because a lot of people, when they see Dogecoin, they're getting nervous and they're like, oh my gosh, what if we drop down below here, break retest and start moving down even further? We have buy limits set up, which I'm going to talk to you guys about in this video, that you guys can set up to take advantage of this as it moves down, and your entry will get better as the price moves down. Okay, follow me here. Long versus short trades in the market. Long trades are drastically increasing for Dogecoin, and short trades are moving out of the market completely. What does this tell me? This tells me that the price is going to have a very hard time continuing to head down without a very nice rebound, okay? Watch this over here with Bitcoin. I'll show this to you guys so many times. If you take a look at this, today's metrics will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so an hour and a half here. Short trades moving out of the market, price action moving up. This is where I expect to see a move back down. Price action moving up in the market, short trades moving out. This is already historically proven to us that we see moves down in the market, okay? Now, take a look at this right here. Price action moving up right here, long trades moving out of the market. What do we end up seeing? We saw another dip in the market right here, okay? Even looking at this right here, we saw price action moving up, long trades moving steadily sideways right here, not moving up, as fast as the price action was, and we saw another drop in the market. Okay, I'm proving this to you guys time after time after time that you need to see money flowing into the market to follow structure. If it does not, this is where we start seeing structures reverse, which means trend reversals in the market. And in the form of Dogecoin right now, this does look like it has a higher potential to start moving up because of all of the long trade volume. So this is a very important video if you follow to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to get into this with really good risk management. Long versus short trade risk. What I'm looking at right here is a good long trade. So I know I've been bearish on this channel for so long. It is because we were due for a correction, guys. And now we're finally into the spot where we're looking good. And this channel is going to turn bullish. That's why we are in trades right now, okay? We are now bullish on most cryptocurrencies. I do believe there's a bigger correction that could be had. I want to make that very clear. But we are entering into trades right now and people are doing very well. So we're in a good long trade section. That's very good. I'll keep you, I'll wrap this all together in here in a second. So well and institutional smart money. This is now printing metric bars to the upside. You guys can clearly see this up here. Last time we ended up starting to do this, we ended up seeing a lot of jumps in the price. We see the jump here. We saw the jump in the price here. We obviously saw the jump here. And are we going to get a jump here? That is what I'm watching for, guys. Like, there's a lot of metrics in here that are pointing to Dogecoin being able to see another jump in the market. Smart money is coming in and buying this as we see at the moment. This is holding true so many times. Even when they come in and short the market, we are seeing the price move back down, shorting the market, prices moving back down, so on and so forth. Shorting the market, prices moving back down. This is such a powerful metric for you guys to be watching. Let's move down here for a second. Take a look at support resistance prices. Now, if this thing starts pushing down even further, I do expect 25 cents to be a contender for Dogecoin to go down to. All right, let's go over here. 25 cents. Take a look at 25 cents on the chart, and it puts us right here at structure low. I do believe this is a place where we could hit, but we have some safety nets placed here. The first thing we have to do is we have to break basically this is a descending support line. So we have to break this, we'll most likely retest, and then we're gonna have to actually break below this line here and then break a little bit further. From there, if we look even closer here, excuse me, I do believe the next place we'll hit is down here at around 20 cents. So we have to break the first level of 25 cents, which is a quarters theory psychological level, which I believe we're going to see a bounce there. And then we actually have to break down below 20 cents. All right, it gets better. Hold on here, watch this. So as we scroll down, I want to show you guys this dollar cost average buys. Those of you guys who took this signal right here, you're doing very well. It was a little bit of a rocky road, but you guys are in the profit right now. And I would be holding this if you guys are diamond hand holders, 5 to 10 years, whatever you would like, you guys are doing fantastic. Take a look at this here. We ended up seeing that the exit points for long trades perfectly called this top here, and we've been moving down ever since then. Now, it is not going to be accurate every single time, but this is something I watch a lot. Like literally, when I exit trades, I come down here and look at this metric here, because we have seen this be accurate so many times in the market where it's called the drop before the drop has happened. That's the point of metrics, is we call things before they happen. All right, let's come back over here. You guys have the question, I want to enter in this trade. Yes, so here's what you guys can do right now to get into Dogecoin with us. Everybody who's trading on this channel live, full disclosure, guys, I am not in Dogecoin. I am in ADA right now, and I'm waiting for my trade to get triggered in for Ethereum. But let me show you how to do this. Here's what you can do. If you have $1,000, we break it into 4 buy limits, okay? $1,000, for example. 250 goes at the first buy limit, 250 at the second buy limit, 250 at the third buy limit, 250 at the fourth buy limit. These are just obviously just placed in here randomly. What you guys need to do is come over here to tradeconfident.io. Once you have your subscription, go to live trades. I'm going to do this slow. Scroll down. You'll see Bitcoin. You'll see Ethereum. You'll see Dogecoin. Click on Dogecoin right here. The Dogecoin chart is going to look exactly like Bitcoin. The white is going to be the live price. It's going to be the price structure. Your yellow lines are going to be your buy limits. For example, right now, Dogecoin looks a lot like this, where you guys are going to see 4 yellow. Right now, you're going to see 3 yellow lines below Dogecoin. 3 yellow lines below Dogecoin. Okay. Because I have an entry just a little bit higher. What you guys can do right now is go ahead and market order in, if you would like, not financial advice, but if you want to follow this channel and you want to stay updated with us, because we haven't lost a trade yet on this channel, okay? You can market order in right now with 25%. Your next buy limit is going to be the first yellow line below the white dotted line here at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because this metric is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Remember, for Dogecoin, that's going to be your first buy limit, okay? Then you're going to have your second buy limit. You're going to have your second buy limit in here, and then you're going to have your third. So at the end, you should have a market order of 25%. The first yellow line below the structure this morning on the Dogecoin live trading chart is going to be your first buy limit, your second buy limit, and third buy limit. Hold those positions, guys. Once your first buy limit is hit, then set up your sell limit. Your sell limit is simply, remember, go to the Dogecoin chart. I'm using this for example. The sell limit is the first yellow line above the current price. Now, if you like that spot, great. If you want to push it higher, use the second one. I usually use the first or second one, and I only put about 50% exit on my first sell limit because I want to just see how high it can go. I have done this for ADA. I do have a sell limit for full disclosure for you guys. I have it up here at $3, and I only have 50% taken out at the moment for $3. In case this thing just blasts off and keeps going, I want another 50% in the market, okay? So there you guys go. There's a full trade setup. Get into this trade. Come over here to tradeconfident.io. And also, those of you guys who don't know this, it's in 4 days. 4 days, the price versus the well money flow price goes up, as well as the trend exhaustion. Come over here. I'm going to give you guys a little secret here. Come over here to indicators. Come down here to the bundle package. You guys get all of the indicators. I switched this. Yesterday, I had it 4+ indicators. I'm just going to give you guys all the indicators. It's the same price if you were to buy 4 of these or if you were to get all of them. So I'm like, what the heck? I'm just going to give all of you guys the indicators I have. There's some for Forex or some for crypto, everything. That you guys get all of it. So just click this, you guys will see that, and then you guys automatically get delivery of all the source codes of the indicators that you can put on your TradingView charts. Follow along with me. Make sure you guys are watching this descending resistance. See if it gets broken in the next few days. Also watch these descending resistances in here to see if they get broken, because this is going to be a bullish sign that we could be heading up. So short term, I do believe Dogecoin over the weekend, if we get a nice little pump, could head up to 30 cents. But if we start moving down, I do believe Dogecoin will see a stall right around this area of about 25 cents. So 25 and 30 cents, that's my call for this weekend of how high we can go. But the most important thing is to make sure you guys come in, and I can't tell you to do this because it's not financial advice, but I'm telling you guys, get a market order in right now. Set your 3 buy limits up in the exchange based off the metrics that I show you guys at tradeconfident.io. Set it up over here and get ready for this trade. Okay, we could head up here pretty quickly, so you don't want to be missing out on that. I'm not trying to FOMO into here. We're not getting emotional. It's just there's a good setup. Make sure you take advantage of it. Not all the time. There's a lot of people who ended up FOMOing in up here. We were extremely patient on this channel. We got in at very low prices, and now we're taking advantage of the profit, so you guys can do that with me as well. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing, amazing weekend, and I'll come out with probably a video today on a couple more coins. All right, we'll see you guys, and everything you need is in the description. Bye, guys.